Hello everyone, this is Software Engineering Lab in which my topic is on online organ donation management system. First we'll know the purpose of the project. The main aim of developing this application is to provide organ to the people who require organ. The number of persons who need organ blood are increasing in massive amount day by day. Using this system, user can search blood or group available in the city, and he/she can also get the contact number of donor who has the same blood group he needs to help people who need blood. So if the blood group is unavailable in the blood bank, user can request the donor to donate the blood to him/her and save someone's life. So now we'll know about problem statement. Project problem statements, which are mainly are shortage of organs. Shortage of organ that across the worldwide is the major problem. There are many patients awaiting then a donor there to improve the medical and surgical technique that enables transplant to take place in the case we would not consider as a decade ago has not been matched with a parallel increase in the availability of organ for transplant, and the problem of organ shortage has become more profound. So another project description are: the application act as an essential role in saving the lives of human being, and which is also a main aim to help the user to get required blood and organs at the correct time, so it can save the lives of a particular patient. This application provides an easy and fast way to search for blood and organ. This application also enables user to find blood and organs in emergency situation. User needs to register with the application which is available on the application, and also they can be brief information on the donor's contact details including their location. The the user can also contact them by making a call or a message directly by using the application. Then the problem constraint tells kidney Indian transplant data of kidney by 13 hospital. According to them, male have male male requirement for the kidney transplant is 100%, means more than the female, as you can see in this graph. And for Indian transplant data for liver is liver for 2000, as we can see 2001 there was a three liver transplant according to the graph, and 2002 we can see there were two, and 2003 two, but there was a dramatic increase in 2005, and and there are dramatic decrease in 2006. To overcome this problem constraint, first we need to create awareness about the organ donation through which we can do in social media or celebrity involvement, or organizing awareness camp involving the government and public hospital. And organ transplant myths. This is the graph of total number of kidney transplant done in India. So there are from 1974 to 2000 till 2010. At 2004 we can see there was a dramatic increase, but in 2010 there was a decrease. And So the first step in the risk management process is to identify the risk itself, so that approaching cons- constant measurement can be taken. One problem is this task, however, is that no valid list are available to help the manager create a business case. Expanding our market, like how can we expand our market, uh, to know more. The more the people will know, the more the expand of the market will be. And how can we do that? By many businesses start locally and expand over time. One of our option for increasing market share and reach in expand into new content, we we need to access new market for availability, ensuring there is no need for our product and services, and assuring assuring ensuring there is a need for our product and services, and how much value it will be bringing to our bus- business bus increasing product offering, like the more we can increase our product offering is by telling people, by making them aware that uh, organ donation is not a threat or not a uh, harm to the people. Like blood donation, making them aware that blood can regenerate in that, but we can donate the some blood to the people. We're acquiring more assist of consider and changing business modules, like grow from startup phase into a large. These are so our next history about. First, we need to know the history, how our organ donation started. Research experiment with organ transplant on animals and humans. In the 18th century, there were many failures over the years, but by the mid 20th century, scientists were performing successful organ transplant of kidney, liver, heart, pancreatic, intestine, lungs, and heart are now considered routine medical treatment. Improvement of medical breakthroughs such as tissue typing and immense immense support. The drug allow for more organ transplant and a longer survival rate for the recipient. The most notable development in the area was James Borrell discovery of an recipient. Limitations are the demand of organ transplant has rapidly increased all over the world during the past decade due to the increase in incidence of the vital organ failure, the risking success, and greater improvement in post-transplant outcome. However, the unavailability of adequate organ for the transplant to meet the existing demand has resulted in major approach or the aim of the study was to involve the implementation of process multiplication multiplier approaches for the potential organ donor in the department ED emergency department in order to incorporate organ donation into their end of the life career plan method like we can method by approaching the hospitals hospitals and to the donors through this application. It is very easy, but there is a problem. If we don't use this application, the people will not know the details of the medical details about the donors, if the patient is healthy or not. So this application uh, helps helps this application helps to get the better result and better and faster organ getting. Result: in total 55 potential organ donors were admitted in ICU in inappropriate organ donation into end of the life care. 27 families consent and donation and 20 successful organ donation were performed. 29% of the total pool of organ donors in this hospital were admitted to the ICU for organ donation. Benefits: living organ donors are usually between the age of 18 and 16-year-old. However, acceptable ages may be vary for transplant center and the health of the donor candidate. The prospective donors must have several potential of compatibility, including a compatible blood type, tissue type, and the other markers. The donor candidate is carefully involved by the lab test, physical examination, and psychological evaluation to ensure that the candidate is healthy enough to donate and that he is or she is making an informed decision. The decision about whether the acceptable donor in the is then made by the healthcare team at the transplant center. Conclusion of this software engineering lab for online organ transplant is to tell that organ donation by living donor clearly save lives, improve transplant and outcome under the some circumstances, and reduce recipients waiting time. It also increase human fertility rate. It also increase human fertility rate, and because of the transplant nowadays it is because of the transplant it is nowadays it is faster and as well as uh, good, and the surgical equipment in the hospitals are now getting better and better. So to provide a faster and a perfect donor for a patient for any organ or a blood is by this application might help them to get a better and best among the cities or over the world to get a better life for them and as well as for the donor. Thank you.